Hey YouTube, today we have the Asics Gel Venture 8 shoes. Now there are a lot of reviews about the shoe, but none one of them I have seen that it's in this color. They come in many colors. This is in the olive tan color, and I took this one because it's more neutral. You can wear it with various clothes, not just with your athletic outfit going out, but also with a pair of jeans. So let's check the shoes out. I have to apologize for the shaking. I don't have my tripod today. So why someone would buy Asics shoes? Well, it's the first time I buy Asics shoes. They have a reputation for being comfortable. They have a reputation for not smelling because it's an athletic shoe. And as I said, I've not seen a review in the tan color. The price is quite reasonable, I would say. It's around 50 to 60 euros. You can find them on sale now. And it is a trail shoe. The main reason I bought it is because it is advertised that it is waterproof. Now, I haven't seen the top of this, and actually I shed some water on this and it's a bit damp. Just try from the inside. Yeah, it's a bit damp on the inside, but not that much. I believe that the actual description would be that the shoe is splash proof and not waterproof, so you can wear it with some rain on a trail and have some water in it, but not, you should not dip it in a river or a lake, to say. So they have the textured sole, so it means that the shoe is probably for trail, for short hiking or running in a trail destination. They have this thing here, which is a bit more hard. The quality for a shoe that's around 50 to 60 euros, I believe it's okay. I've seen better, but yeah, like this thing here. Anyway, yeah, they seem to last. The people, at least, they say that those shoes seem to last. And again, I made the review. There are lots of reviews about the shoe, because I've not seen anyone making a review about this specific color, the tan. I'm saying I've shed some water here. So let me just try them out with my jeans. They're very comfortable. They're sneakers. Some complain that they might be slippery in a straight surface like this marble that I have here, but I don't see that thing happening. Maybe if it was wet. And yeah, my first impression is that those shoes are comfortable. As I said, with the tan color, you may or may not be able to wear it with the jeans instead of using a more vibrant color. And again, you can use it with your athletic outfit. This is how this shoe looks. So I will write my impressions about the shoe in the description once I've worn them sometime. From the first point of view, they seem comfortable. They seem lightweight. There's some water here, as I said. Again, as I said, although I've shed some water on this one, did not pass through. However, I would not advise them to wear them if you're trying to cross a river or something like that. The shoes seem splash proof and not waterproof. And one other thing is my only reservation from what I've read in other reviews is about the build quality. So that this thing here does not pull off. It's okay, but it seems different from this one. Maybe it's my own opinion, but anyway, and this place here is just something they have some color that went off. But in general, for the price, I believe it's a good buy. And given the fact that it's a very lightweight shoe, that it's a very comfortable shoe, and it also splash proof, so you can wear it on a rainy day. Of course, if you carry an umbrella, it will be even better. And at around 50-60 euros, I believe it's a good bargain. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe.